Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to remove emoji from photo in seconds only with iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go visit your photo library. You don't need any editing application to remove the emoji, guys. Go visit your photo library and just find which photo that you want to remove the emojis from. So here I already have this photo with this emoji, and let's try to remove this emoji from this photo. So the thing that you need to do is just go click the photo until this information is pop up, and you just need to go click this edit button. And now don't go anywhere, just take a look on this top right corner right here. There will be like 3 sections or 3 buttons that you can click. Just need to visit this middle one, which is with the pen symbols, and after that you just need to go take a look on the pen type that you want can access. Go make sure you are choosing this first pen here, and you can also adjusting the size too. And after that, now you just need to visit this color and make sure that the color is already the same with the background near with the emoji. You just need to choose this, the color picker, and start to picking the color for the pen. And after that, you just need to go click done again, go click this X button, and now you can start scratching the emoji. Then the emoji will be start to disappear from your photo. So just scratching until all of this emoji part is disappear, guys. So that's the way how to remove emoji from photos in a second only with the iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.